Hello everyone, my name is Gyanendra Kumar and I am biology educator in India. In this video we are going to discuss about viroid. So what are our viroids? Guys, these viroids are, first viroids were discovered by a scientist. His name was Theodonier in 1971, and he observed that these viroids are smaller than viruses. Virus, is already considered as a very small infectious agent, right? So if virus is small infectious agent and viroids are smaller than that, so viroids will be considered as smallest infectious agent, isn't it? Smallest infectious agent. So viroids are considered as smallest infectious agent. So what this basically viroids are? Guys, viroids are nothing but they are just single stranded RNA devoid of protein. They have no protein. Protein absent. They are devoid of protein. Protein absent. I'm writing here absent. I'm clearing again here. They have not protein. Generally, if you see virus, so virus have a minimum criteria. They have a protein core. In that, they have a genetic material. That genetic material can be RNA or the genetic material can be DNA. But viroids are small RNA molecules, single stranded RNA molecule which have no protein. They are devoid of protein. Now if you'll observe molecular weight, so generally they are made up of 246 to till now whatever nearby 40 viroids was discovered. These all viroids are infecting plants, and when scientists studied their molecular weight, they observed that generally they are 246 to 463 nucleotide long segment. Okay, and they used to infect only in plants. What are examples of that? Potato spindle tuber viroid, very important. Coconut kadang viroid, tomato apical stunt viroid, apical scar skin viroid, and many more. Now what is importance of this viroid topic in NEET exam? Very important. In 2021 question was asked, which of the following is correct about viroids? Means they talked about genetic material and they asked that first, they have RNA as a protein code, they have free RNA without protein code, and they have DNA with protein code, and they have free DNA without protein code. So answer will be second option, they have free RNA without protein code. And again one question was asked in 2017 also, that how viroids are different from the viruses. So viruses have a protein code plus genetic material, but viroids have a naked single stranded RNA. So this is what about viroids.